Human reproduction. What is reproduction? Reproduction is the ability of an organism to produce its young one. There are 6 events of reproduction that are 1. Gametogenesis, 2. Insemination, 3. Fertilization, 4. Implantation, 5. Gestation, 6. Parturition.
Male reproductive system. Flowchart showing the path of sperm. Seminiferous tubule, rete testis, vasa efferentia, epididymis, vas deferens, urinogenital duct. Glands associated with male reproductive organ. Seminal vesicle, prostate gland, and bulbourethral gland. Seminiferous tubules contain 2 types of cells. Sertoli cells and Leydig cell. Sertoli cell nourish the sperm. Leydig cell produce male hormone androgen, and the spermatogonium produce sperm. In human, testes are placed outside the body to maintain lower temperature. Structure of seminiferous tubule. Spermatogenesis, production of sperm. Spermiogenesis, formation of spermatid to sperm. Spermiation means releasing of sperm from seminiferous tubule. Female reproductive system. Ovary, fallopian tube, infundibulum, ambuloisthmus, uterus and vagina. Layers of uterus. Perimetrium outer layer, myometrium middle layer and endometrium inner layer. Fertilization taken place inside the fallopian tube. Hymen is not considered as a reliable symbol of virginity because it may be broken by exercise. Milk conduction in mammary gland, mammary tubule to mammary duct, mammary ampulla, lactiferous duct, TDAL. This is the structure of sperm. Functions of acrosome. To penetrate the ovum. Mitochondria provide energy. Tail, movement of sperm. Layers of ovum. Plasma membrane, vitelline membrane, zona pellucida, corona radiata. Menstrual cycle. Phase, days and events. Menstrual phase 1 to 5 days. Events bleeding. Follicular phase 6 to 13 days. Endometrium regenerate. Primary follicle to Graafian follicle. Ovulatory phase days 14, releasing of ovum. Luteal phase 15 to 28 days. Corpus luteum formation. Function of corpus luteum, production of progesterone. Menarche means the first menstruation. Menopause means the stopping of menstruation. Structure of blastocyst. Trophoblast become placenta, inner cell mass become embryo. Implantation means the attaching of blastula to endometrium. Egg develop into zygote to morula and form blastula. Placenta, connection between mother and the fetus. It transports oxygen and nutrients into fetus, removal of waste from the fetus. Placenta secrete HCG, HPL, estrogen and progesterone. Colostrum is the first milk produced in mammary gland. It contains IgA, provides immunity to the baby. Next chapter, reproductive health. First, contraceptive method. It contains natural methods, barriers, IUD, oral contraceptive and surgical methods. Natural method, periodic abstinence, coitus interruptus, lactational amenorrhea. Barriers, prevent the meeting of sperm and the ovum. Condom, cervical cap, diaphragm, vault. IUD, non-medicated, copper releasing, hormone releasing. Lippus loop, copper T, copper 7, multilode 375, LNG20, progesterate. Oral contraceptive pill, example Saheli once a week pill, produced in CDRI. Surgical method, male sterilization and female sterilization. Male sterilization vasectomy and female sterilization tubectomy. The first one is vasectomy and the second one is tubectomy. MTP full form, medical termination of pregnancy, is induced abortion, Amniocentesis technique to identify genetic disorder in developing fetus. It is banned in our country to avoid killing of female fetus. STI sexually transmitted infections. Disease and pathogen. Gonorrhea bacteria, syphilis bacteria, chlamydiasis bacteria, trichomonasis protozoa, AIDS virus, hepatitis B virus, genital herpes virus. Symptom: fluid discharge, itching, slight pain in the genital region. Preventive measures of this: avoid sex with unknown or multiple partners, use condom during intercourse, seeking medical help. Infertility, art assisted reproductive technologies. 1. Test tube baby programs, IVF, in vitro fertilization followed by ET, embryo transfer, SIFT and IUT. GIFT, gamete intrafallopian transfer. ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. AI, artificial insemination. IUI, intrauterine insemination. Abbreviations: RCH, Reproductive and Child Health Care Programs. MMR, Maternal Mortality Rate. IMR, Infant Mortality Rate. IUD, Intrauterine Devices. CDRI, Central Drug Research Institute. AIDS, Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome. SIFT, Zygote Intrafallopian Transfer. IUT, Intrauterine Transfer.